Hey everyone, I'm Stuart with InvisiLights, and today I'm going to show you how to connect your InvisiLights system to Alexa so you can control your lights remotely from anywhere. So let's get started. First, open the InvisiLights app and tap on the profile button at the bottom right of your screen. On your profile page, look for the Alexa icon, just like you see here, and tap it. If you see a pop-up that says, "This function is not applicable for Bluetooth devices," don't worry. This means your system was initially set up via Bluetooth by the installer. To access Alexa and other features, your system needs to be connected to Wi-Fi. If you don't already have an Alexa device and want to control your system remotely, download the Amazon Alexa app and sign in. Back in the InvisiLights app, tap Sign In with Amazon. This will open your Alexa app. Simply tap the Link button and then you'll be returned to the InvisiLights app, where you'll see a confirmation screen indicating that your InvisiLights system is now linked with your Alexa account. And that's it. You can now control your lights from anywhere using the Alexa app. Just say, "Alexa, turn the roofline lights off," or go to your Alexa devices, find your system and controller through there, and your system will respond. Thanks for watching and enjoy your smarter lighting experience with InvisiLights.